In this video, I will explain the requirements you must meet in order to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam and be licensed as a CPA in Arizona. So, keep watching. Hey future CPAs, this is Ala Abudaya. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Colorado and I help students pass the CPA exam and become CPAs. If you are interested in becoming CPAs, make sure to subscribe to this channel and to click the bell in order not to miss any of my videos. To qualify to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Arizona, there are certain requirements you must meet. Comment below and tell me if you are planning to apply to Arizona State Board of Accountancy to sit for the CPA exam. To be eligible to apply to sit in Arizona State, you must be at least 18 years old, which I think most of you should meet. Now, Arizona does not have any citizenship or residency requirements to sit for the CPA exam. However, Arizona requires you to have a social security number. That's why this jurisdiction may not be suitable for international candidates who want to sit for the CPA exam. If you want other state options that are more suitable for international candidates, make sure to watch this video, which I gave some great options for international candidates. Now, to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam in Arizona, you must have a minimum of a bachelor degree with at least 120 credit hours by a degree-granted accredited college or university in the United States. If you studied outside the United States, then you must send your academic credentials for evaluation by NASPA International Evaluation Services, which is the only approved provider for international education evaluations for Arizona State Board of Accountancy. Your education must include 24 semester hours of non-duplicative accounting courses, of which 12 semester hours are upper level courses, advanced accounting courses, and 18 semester hours in related courses like business, economics, and finance courses. Does that make sense? Comment below and tell me if you meet these educational requirements or not. So, these are the requirements to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Arizona. This state also allows you to sit for the CPA exam in any place in the United States or internationally. So, you can sit outside the United States as well. Concerning the licensing requirements, they are different from the CPA exam requirements. Watch this video to learn the difference between the CPA exam requirements and the CPA licensing requirements. To be licensed in Arizona, you must meet the 4E requirements, which are E number 1, education. Arizona requires you to have 150 credit hours to be licensed and not 120 credit hours as required to sit for the CPA exam. These hours must include 36 semester hours of non-duplicative accounting courses, of which 30 semester hours must be in upper level courses, advanced courses. Also, you must have at least 30 hours in related courses, including like business administration, statistics, computer science, information systems, economics, finance, management, business law, ethics, and others. Now, if you don't meet the 150-hour requirement and you are wondering how to fulfill the 150-hour requirement, make sure to watch this video, which I give you great options to help you fulfill the 150-hour requirements. E number 2 you must meet for licensing purposes is passing the 4 parts of the CPA exam. To learn the 4 parts of the CPA exam, make sure to watch this video, which I explain those 4 parts. And to get my best tips and tricks to pass the 4 parts of the CPA exam, make sure to watch these 4 videos, which I gave you great tips and tricks to pass the FAR part of the exam, the audit part of the exam, the RIG part of the exam, and the BEC part of the exam. E number 3 you must meet is the ethics exam. So you must pass the AICPA self-study ethics course with a score of not less than 90% within the 2 years immediately preceding submission of the application for licensing. And finally comes the 4th E you must meet in order to be eligible for licensing in Arizona, which is the experience. You must have at least 2,000 hours of paid or unpaid experience in the practice of accounting. Experience must be sufficient to demonstrate that you have the ability for critical inquiry and analysis of financial accounting information, including balance sheets, income statements, cash flow statements, and tax returns, and your ability to communicate, either orally or in writing, on the results of an inquiry or analysis of that information to an employer, client, or a third party. You must have either a CPA or an individual who has education and experience equivalent to a CPA fill out a certificate of experience. If the signer is not a CPA, they must attach a resume and a job description to verify their accounting education and experience is similar to that of a CPA. Comment below and tell me if you meet the 4E requirements or not to be licensed in Arizona. To learn how to apply for the CPA exam and schedule the exams, get my free CPA exam application cheat sheet from the link in the description below. It is totally free and it gives you the steps you must follow to apply to the CPA exam. So make sure to get the cheat sheet from the link below. It's totally free. My next video will be about Arkansas CPA requirements, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell in order to get the video as soon as I upload it to YouTube. Remember, go after what you want, pass the CPA exam because you can become CPAs and save the world.